previous video, we have discussed about the mass of an atom, which is defined as the relative mass as compared to the mass of carbon-12 atom. But now today we will be discussing about the mass of molecules. Yes, as we know that atoms can be existing as molecules as well. So these molecules are also having their masses, and these masses are known as molecular mass. It is also defined as the relative mass of the molecules as compared to the mass of carbon-12 atom, which is taken as 12 units. Or you can say that in simple language, the molecular mass of a given molecule is equal to the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in one molecule. Let us discuss some of the examples that how can we calculate the molecular mass of a compound. Let's have a look on the examples. Let's proceed for the calculation of molecular mass. The very first molecule we are having N2, that is nitrogen molecule. First of all, as you can see that we have to write down the mass of one nitrogen atom, that is, we know it's 14 units. Now, in the molecule of nitrogen, as you can see here, two atoms of nitrogen are chemically combined. So, what we have to write? We have to multiply the mass of one nitrogen with the number of atoms, that is 2. So here mass of two nitrogen atoms will be 2 because in nitrogen molecule two atoms are present. So we have to multiply the mass of one nitrogen atom with 2 and the answer will be 28 units. So the molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 units. Here we are having one more example. Here we have to find out the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. According to the formula CO2, you know that there is one atom of carbon along with two atoms of oxygen. So the mass of carbon will be multiplied by 1 only, plus the mass of oxygen will be multiplied by 2, as you can see from the slide. After solving it, we get 12 as a carbon's mass and 32 as oxygen's total mass. So when we add these two, we get 44 as a molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Now, let us understand the next example. Here we have to calculate the molecular mass of water, that is H2O. So first of all, we find out the mass of two hydrogen atom, that is 2 multiplied by 1, as 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. Then we find out the mass of one oxygen atom because only one oxygen atom is present in molecular formula. So the molecular mass of H2O is the mass of hydrogen atoms plus mass of oxygen atom. And the mass of two hydrogen atoms is 2 plus the mass of oxygen atom is 16, and after solving it we get 18 units. So we can say that the molecular mass of water is 18 units. Now let's find out the mass of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. As you can see in this compound, 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen is given. So first of all, we have to write the atomic masses of the atoms which are given. That is, for hydrogen it's 1 unit, for sulfur 32 units, and oxygen is having atomic mass 16 units. In order to find out the molecular mass of sulfuric acid, we have to add the atomic masses of all the atoms which are given in the compound. So let's proceed. Mass of 2 hydrogen atom plus mass of 1 sulfur atom plus mass of 4 oxygen atoms. Now mathematically write down 2 hydrogen atoms multiplied with the atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 atom of sulfur, it should be multiplied with the mass of sulfur, plus Here 4 atoms of oxygen are given. That's why I have written 4 here multiplied with atomic mass of oxygen. So when we solve it, we get 2 plus 32 plus 64. That is in total 98 units. So we can say that the molecular mass of the sulfuric acid is 98 units. I hope you have understood how to calculate the molecular mass. Time for an assignment on the basis of today's and previous video. So please go through the given questions and write down in your registers. And be careful, please do complete your work on time. One more thing, do like my videos and subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for further notification. And please write down your name, class and roll number in comment box. You can ask your queries during online session as well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.